In this video, you'll learn how to set up Alexa with the Echo Dot. Stay tuned. Welcome to the Dum Dum Channel. Are you feeling like a dum-dum? It's okay. We're here to help. Alright, go ahead and download and open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Select Devices in the lower right corner. Now press the plus sign in the top right corner, or press the hamburger menu, you know, the three little horizontal lines, in the upper left corner. Go ahead and click Add Device. Press the Amazon Echo icon, followed by the Echo Dot icon. It appears on the next screen. Then press the image on the third generation Echo Dot. Plug in your Echo Dot using the included power adapter. Once the blue light ring has turned orange, your device is in setup mode. Wait for your Echo Dot to appear on your phone and select it. You'll be prompted to go to our Wi-Fi settings. Once there, select the network called Amazon XXX, then return to the Alexa app. Alright, now choose the Wi-Fi network that you want to connect to your Echo Dot. Enter your password if needed. Select the external speaker your Echo Dot will be using. If you won't be connecting this device to an external speaker, you can skip this part. Select the room where your Echo Dot is located, or you can create a new room. Congratulations, you've set up your Echo Dot. To check it out, click the link below, and don't forget to subscribe.